what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel again. It's your boy NQ Trader, back again with another trade recap video. Today was day 16 trading the Apex accounts. Yeah, day 16. Last Friday we did request a payout from Apex. Like I said, this will be my first time requesting a payout with Apex, so last time I checked it is still pending. Let me pull it up here and see. I should have had that already ready to go. Yeah, from what I remember, it is still pending. Let's see, payout request. I haven't received an email or anything like that yet. It's still sitting in here, still showing pending. I mean, if they check all my trades, they'll be able to see that, yeah, I've been pretty consistent in these accounts. I've been pretty consistent. Definitely shouldn't hit no 30% consistency rule. I should be well with under that. But yeah, let's get into today. So today we had a green day. We had a green day today. Today was some really efficient trading, I'm not gonna lie. Even though I didn't take too many trades today, like I've been under my norm of trades taken. Like my average, like I said, if you check my previous recap videos, I was saying like my average trades is anywhere from 12 to 24, anywhere in between there. I've been taking less trades lately. Today is Monday. Like the market just, I don't know, for some reason this last couple Mondays has just been, I don't want to say difficult for me, but just been harder for me to trade. I don't know. I can't explain it. Like the price action hasn't been what I'm used to seeing on a Monday. The patterns is a little different. It's a little off, so it's kind of throwing me off. It's been throwing me off my game a little bit. So I've been cautious on Mondays and then Fridays as well. Fridays have been just a little different, man. I don't know. I can't explain it. It's hard to explain. But yeah, it's just, I don't know. But today, let's go over what we did today. So we had 3,361 profit. We took 7 trades on 26 contracts. Longest trade time 20 minutes or 23 minutes. 100%. We didn't take any L's. We were good, and we're gonna go over those trades on the charts here. $16 a drawdown, 100% win rate today. $39 in fees and commissions. Like to make 3K and only have that little bit of fees and commissions, I'd say that's pretty darn efficient. Like I said, and I was hesitant after making this because I wanted to secure it. So I was kind of acting a little scared a little bit. I didn't take any trades after, I think my last trade was 10 o'clock. Because I didn't feel comfortable going into that close into lunch, hopping any trades. Those of y'all who saw the live stream today, it was lit. My man Sherman got all his targets, even though y'all said he'd be waiting until 2025 to hit his targets. Yeah, and then, oh yeah, another thing. Remember I shouted out, I called it pre-mark before, when we were at the open. I said, I think we could hit 950. I said, be on the lookout for 950. That's another psychological level. 950. Here's the chart here. We got the aftermarket hours going on right now. But we did 950 plus 24 points, right? So we had a high of 974, I want to say. Let me confirm that. Yep, 974 was the high. So yeah, 974. I was saying be on the lookout for 950. Look out for any reversals around that area. 950 and higher. I called it out on stream. We hit 974, and then obviously we kind of top out over there in that area and then drop to end the day. So yeah, but let's go look at I've already imported the data for today. So here we are. We got a total P&L for the 3 PA accounts, right? This is just tracking the PA accounts. I got 3, and remember y'all, I did buy 17 150K size account sizes on Apex. I bought that Sunday. I probably, if I would have hopped back in that long with Sherman at VWAP, I could have passed in one day. Because I know me, I probably would have started with one contract and then scaled in. And yeah, we could have passed in one day. But like I said, Mondays, it's just, I don't know. I wanted to protect those gains that I made with y'all on stream. And I just wasn't feeling, or I was too slow to look at that move. So we're gonna pull that up and see. But yeah, so we got a total of 44,000 in profit between 3 accounts. Remember, all 3 are the PA accounts. The 17 are evals. Hopefully, we'll see those become funded here soon, either tomorrow or the next day. Let's pray. We're gonna pray on that tonight. Profit factor, I think that went up. We're at 2.30. Win rate 82%. We're almost at 83, so that's climbing up. That's good. Win loss ratio 0.48. That's pretty good. Pretty good. And you see our chart here where we started. I started trading the PAs on the 27th. That was day 1. Day 1 made 3K, and then we just been steady climbing up from there. We took a little dips. We took some dips. I've only had 2 losing days so far, and that's all on stream. It's all documented. Yeah, and I'm just doing this to document my own trading journey with Apex here. So results may vary. You know what I'm saying? I say it all the time, do not trade like me, because I'm a little bit more of a risk taker. But yeah, we do call out levels and stuff on stream to kind of help everybody out. We want to see everybody profitable. Let's take it down to the calendar here for December. Like I said, I've been trading for 16 trading days so far. Today was day 16, and we had 2 losing days. So we are 14 and 2 so far. 14 and 2. If we look back to November, I started trading my PA accounts on the 27th. As we could see here, we had a green week the first week, which is good. We started strong. On into December 1st. December 1st, we had that Friday, we had a 5K day. That was nice. Came back Monday, took a L. Should be 1,800. I say that all the time. $1,800 L on that Monday. Bounced back with another 2.3K day, and then took a big loss. I was just on the wrong side of the market this day, on Wednesday, just constantly on the wrong side. I think Wednesday the market dumped, and I was looking for longs for some reason. And I'm a bear at heart. I say it all the time, but I'm over here looking for longs because I want the market to do what I think it's gonna do, right? But instead of going along with the trend, I fought it and lost. I fought the trend and I lost. So we came back Thursday, had a great day, a 5K day Thursday. And then Friday we finished it light, 3K day. Then we started the next week of the 11th. We finished the whole week green. That was good. Friday, we almost took the L of $2,800. I came back off stream because I saw the move that I was waiting on all stream that took all day to form and set up. And I came back, made that $2,800 back, plus some more to finish the day with 3K. And then today we finished with 3,330 or something like that. Okay, so 3.4K, and we're about to get into that now. Let's check it out. Oh, can I click on it? Dashboard, daily journal. 18. We'll start here then, I guess. Yeah. Okay. So let's pull up the chart. We're gonna pull it on 5 minutes. Default started at the 1 minute chart. All right, 5 minute chart. So I was like I said earlier, I was a little bit hesitant hopping in. My first trade was good. I hopped in 5 contracts, caught 14 points. Didn't scale. I got out on a pullback, so we hopped in at 16,863 for this long here, so it might have been, so we hopped in about right here, top of this candle after this 3 candle pullback here. Obviously the better move would have been get in at the 40s or late 40s, early 50s to catch all that up. But I was a little bit late. Like I said, I was hesitant to pull the trigger for some reason. And but when I did pull the trigger, I went in 5 contracts off rip 5 contracts, no scaling. It was clean 14 points. Like I said, that was kind of like a scout for me. Obviously, in hindsight, had I held a little bit longer, we probably could have walked away with like 2, almost 3K. I don't know. I didn't do the numbers, didn't do the math, but yeah. But I got out on a small pullback just to secure the gains, just in case we got this move here, right? I got out, secured it, and then I was waiting patiently. So this trade alone, I would say, was clean. It's a clean little 5-star trade. Like I said, I hopped in after this pullback. So we had the open right here, right? This green candle. We opened up, pumped up some more, dumped, pump, dump, pumped up, dump. So you got these 3 candles with these wicks here, these 3 wicks, and it's like, but we're still in an uptrend. So this is why I was hesitant from hopping in right at the open. So I didn't take my first trade until, like I said, 850, 853, and then I got out at 857. Got out so 863, and then got out at 878 just to secure the bag basically. 14 points, 295 ticks, really solid trade, solid little scout if you want to, I consider it a scout for me. This little 14 point, almost 15 point scout, going 5 contracts. Let's look at the next one here. All right, trade number 2. Where was I at? Oh, let's change that to 5 minutes here. All right. So trade number 2, where we caught a long again. So I was long 887, and then scale in at 884. Yeah, 87.84. So we go down here. So my first entry was 87 on this candle. 87. So I bought this pullback here. Should have bought in the 70s. Obviously, that would have been great, but I missed it. Probably being hesitant. Bought in at 887. My second scale in was 884. So yeah, I'm in. Probably my break even's probably like right here. So I'm in. We pump up, and basically I get out like right when price. So I get out at 900. I cut the trade at 900. So I'm in at 886, and I cut it at 900 for another little 14 point scout. But at this time I'm only in 2 contracts, and this is like right when the market was just about to dump. So I get out at 900. We get these wicks, and then the market starts to dump. So my next trade, this was the trade that kind of worried me just because it took forever to hit my target. That was that one. This is, like I said, this one's clean. 2 contracts. I wish I would have been in a little bit more heavy size, but 14 points nonetheless. In that trade for about 10 minutes, 11 minutes. Clean trade, right? But this next one, this short, I was in, 6 contracts. Let's change this to 5 minutes here. We're gonna talk about it. I was in, like I said, this is my last trade of the day. So like I said, it hasn't been, I'm usually trading a lot more. I decided to go heavier size this time. So I'm in short at 884. That's my first short. 16,884. So I kind of missed the boat here a little bit up top. I knew we was going to break these highs at 900, right? 910 was heavy liquidity at the time. I think we jump up to like 905 at the time was the highest. But I knew eventually these were going to get broken. But we ran into all that liquidity at the 900. So all that liquidity sitting at the 900s and a little bit above when finally the sellers took over and dumped it to where they did. So my first short, 884.50. So that is, if we're looking at the chart, 84.50, that's about right here. So I kind of give up some points, honestly, for hopping in so late on this short. So I go in one contract, just being light, 884. We get there, it goes a little bit above break even on this candle here, but then we start to finally get the little drop down. So I add in 5 contracts again. You know how I do. I start to see the move on the charts. It's starting to give me the feel goods, the warm and fuzzies. I'm like, okay, we're adding in 5 more contracts, so I'm in total 6 short. But this move just felt like it took forever. I was aiming for VWAP. Let's take it back to the charts. Yeah, this is it. So this is the area, right? Let's go to the 5 minute. That's the 2000 tick. This is the area where I went short. I was in short right here, 84.50. So right around here. Catch a little bit of drawdown on that candle, but we start going down. I added in heavier size at, I think 69, it said 869, and then I was just aiming for, my target was VWAP. This yellow line here is a VWAP on my charts. So my target was VWAP. I think at the time that was at 59, I want to say. Let's see, 860 is my average exit, but I exited at 59. I exited it at 59, and then price started to pull back. I left the runner open just in case, but price started to pull back, and then I got out at 65. So I got out at 59 and 65 here because price started pulling back. I was just like, F it, I'm cutting it. And then we start to go long here. I'm like, dang, I missed this. We did all this in 15 minutes. Like, it was just crazy. I'm like, man, we ran up so much. It's like I was like, I wanted to catch that long with Sherman, but I'm like, I feel like I missed the boat. But honestly, obviously, looking back, I could have longed up here and still got, but I didn't want to sit in the trade all day, because at this point I'm like tired. I'm tired of waiting, mentally exhausted, doing all this data analytics basically. I'm like, man, I'm like, at this, if I saw this run up by the bulls, I'm like, man, I missed it. I missed the boat. It's all good though. We made our profit. I'm like, man, I missed the boat. So, but I should have went long here at VWAP with Sherman. We could have rolled that mess to glory, rolled that mess to the top. But my man Sherman was looking for his 918 target here. It missed him by a tick, but it filled him. So I think the volatility caused him to get filled. Even though on my charts it showed that the top was 1775, but it filled him anyway, so that's good. But eventually it hit his target plus his runner. So his original target was 918. We knocked that out the park, and then he hit his runner at 930. And then I told you guys, look out for 950. Potentially look out for 950 run up. It runs up to 974. So before it starts tilting and turning over, we get this sell-off towards the end of the day. Into the end of the day, into the market close consolidation. So awesome, beautiful Monday. Even though, like I said, I've been sketchy of Mondays, they just haven't been, I don't know, they've been making me a little more hesitant to push the button, right, to launch. This was a good short as well. I'd probably give it a 4. I wish I would have hopped in a lot sooner. Could have caught that whole move, but saw the momentum come down, added in heavy. As a 5-star would have been if I got in up here at 900. That would have been a 5-star move for me. But we caught most of it, or we caught most of the move. We missed most of the move, but we caught about half the move, and then took our profits, got out at 59, right at VWAP. I wasn't being greedy. I said, she gave me my targets. I'm like, I'm cool, NQ. Thank you. You gave me my targets. I appreciate that. But then if I would have went long, turn around and went long right here, man, that would have been passing one day on this Apex thing. So hopefully we could have another great day tomorrow, or prayerfully, let me say that. We're going to pray about it. We're going to have another great day tomorrow. Hopefully I can pass. Prayerfully I pass these 17 accounts so I can get all those funded. And then, we'll trade 20 funded PA accounts. Right now I'm trading 3. I've been trading those for, this all 16 days now. Yeah, that's the recap for today. Walked away with a little $1,300 profit, 11 points, 271 ticks. Pretty good play. Yeah, pretty good play on that short there, that little pullback. But I wish I would have caught this long. Yeah, but if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We are live every trade day, every day, morning. Usually hop in. Today I was a little late to the stream, so I had to like set everything up on my charts, open up everything on stream right at the open. But usually I try to get there about 10 minutes before, 5-10 minutes before open, which for me is 8:30 a.m. Yeah, we're live. We do this every day. Me and my partner Sherman, we got our commentary. We talk about our levels. We talk everything out, help each other to succeed. In turn, helping you guys to succeed. Not saying that y'all should take everything that we say as law, but we're pretty good. We've been doing this for a while. We're pretty good at seeing, how the NQ moves, how, certain levels. But like I said, not financial advice. Trade, you're going to trade. This is just our journey as traders. I'm just video logging this as a entering it tracking it in my journal, tracking it on video. Yeah, we're just doing this just to get a record so I can say, okay, I did this with Apex. Let's see if I can get that repeat. So, oh yeah, I wanted to throw in this plug, right? With all 20 accounts today, with that 3K that I made total all 20 accounts, that was like $66,000 between all 20 accounts. 66K, making 3K in one account. I copy traded all 20, and that was $66,000 walked away with. Now, you take that information with a grain of salt because 17 of them are evals, so it really doesn't, I'm trying to pass to get funded, so it really doesn't mean anything. But just think about that. If they were all PA accounts, and I thought about that when I started this, if I had started with 20 PA accounts from the beginning, I did the math. At the time before today, I think I was up like 39 or something like that. 39. Yeah, I think my previous P&L was like just over 39,000. We'll call it 39K. If I had made that with all 20, I'd be sitting at about $780,000 before today. That's not including today. $780,000 if I had started with 20. I had to think about that. I'm like, wow, that's crazy. Almost $1 million. We made it to, like I said, we made it to our first PA or our first payout request with Apex. I submitted it last Friday. Still pending. Obviously, we got, people have until the 20th to finish up putting in their requests, so that's Wednesday. Like I said, I'm just waiting to see how this this process for Apex is all new to me, so I'm waiting to see when do I get that approval, and hopefully keep it going. Prayerfully, we're gonna keep this going. We got the next request is in 2 weeks on the 1st of January. But we got Christmas coming up here and New Year's coming up. So I expect markets to be closed. I don't know if Friday is going to be a half day or a closed day. I'm not sure how they're doing that. We gotta wait and see. I gotta look that up and see. Same thing with New Year's. The market's going to be closed for Christmas and New Year's. And yeah, we'll see going into January. We got one more week after this left of December. This is crazy. We're going into 2024. Let's try to finish the year out strong and go into the new year. Continue these profits. Continue being profitable. Everybody take care. Like I said, if you're new, like, comment, subscribe, share this, please. Help get us out there. We put in a lot of work behind these vids to give you guys this content. If you don't have any Apex accounts, you can click the link in my description, get you an Apex account. I am an affiliate, so we'll be helping out the channel. I'll earn a small commission if you sign up, whatever account size, doesn't matter. If you guys want to check out Tradezella, this journal for tracking your daily trades, you could also sign up with that. Link is also in the description. I think this has been helping me, honestly. It's been helping me to be more consistent, logging everything, talking everything out, being able to see everything visually, the facts after the fact. It's been helping me, especially on stream, stay consistent. So appreciate you guys for watching. We're gonna do it again tomorrow. Come join us if you can. If not, watch the aftermath. The stream, all the streams are up there, and yeah, let's do it again. We're gonna get it again tomorrow. Stay green, stay profitable. Catch you guys tomorrow. Peace. Appreciate it.